Good morning. Myself Arijit Basu once again back live with ABS News Channel. It's been some time that we are not doing any shows, and we sincerely apologize for that. There are a few personal reasons going on for that matter of fact. I can't be available, but I was overwhelmed because so many people have reached out to me asking like whether we stop the program or what's happening, are we coming or not. So that's the reason I'm here with you all today, despite several like ongoing issues at my end with because my mom is not doing well. So for the last few weeks, and that's the reason I was keeping away from this. But I promised a few of my guests that I will be doing with the shows with them. So I'm here again, back. But I have the show with Shatabdi Roy. I'll introduce her soon, and Avanjit Shen tomorrow. And after that, I'll take some break. So probably you will not see me before next year. So until then, I will have my other guest, other host, who are also having some issues. They might join in. So we will see how it goes. So that's why I just wanted to keep you posted on the developments we have. And thank you for reaching out. So many people have reached out to me in the past few weeks, and I sincerely thank each one of you. Now, to talk about today's program and today's guest, I have with me Shatabdi Roy, who I came to know. I was looking at her various things, and I was very much intrigued by many things. She's a event planner, marketing head of Kolkata with the national magazine Banjhara. She is a regional director of IBSW of East India and council member of WICCI and member of RTA, talent manager with the United Nations Nation Pageants, business head of two international magazines, Beginner and Glamour Era, and in an international channel, GNN. And she's also a brand model of Minusari. And these are just the few which I am just bringing it to you, but we will hear from her many more over her achievements, over like what I keep seeing so many of her posts, which is so intriguing, interesting. She is a fashion model too. So without waiting further, I'd just like to invite Satabdi Roy uh, to my show. Hello. Hi,
Hi,
Shatabdi.
sir. Hi,
Hi,
sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. It's good to have you on my show today. So it's Saturday night for you. So I would just like to like as you are I'm seeing like you are into different kind of roles in your life,
Yeah.
from fashion model to event planner to like brand ambassador with or many other hats you have on your. So how did it all start? Like, can we go back, rewind back to the childhood days and how it all started? So if you
Yeah.
can just start with that.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, Arijit sir, for this lovely opportunity. And yes, and AB News Channel. It's a privilege to be here today as one of the guests. So thank you so much for that. And yes, it always a pleasure to talk about old days, starting from the old ones to the new one. So yes, this journey started I have done MBA in HR and in Kolkata only, and then I started job in a UK based company in the marketing profile, sales and marketing profile. So there I worked for 4 years, and then I get married, and then after having baby, I left that job. So as the I have a small daughter, so baby I have to take care of that. So then I think of that sitting idly at home, it's not a cup of my tea. So I just planning for something to do which I can manage both, taking care of the baby and can also do something of my own. So then I started as the wedding planning. So being a creative person, like I love painting, singing, dancing, and all that. So in that prospect, you can say it's come in my mind to do something creative, which is in the wedding planning is very much required. Creative things, creative decorations, and all that things. So it's I just started. I never think of where I will go, where I will reach. Just I just want to that give it a try. Let's make it. Either it will I will successful, or I will I will not. So then I started the journey, and yes, many struggles, many obstacles I have faced, but ultimate I working for last 7 years in this wedding planning, and then event planning also added up, corporate events and all. And then you can say going on, and then one click, which I enter in the glam industry. So that is only when I just took my daughter with me in a fashion show, and then my daughter told me that, mom, why you are not there? Being that like a model or kind of thing.
Here, I'm just
Yes.
interrupting you here.
Yeah.
Like for the model, you said like your daughter, you went with her for a model show, and that's how it transpired. So did
Yes.
you when was it?
It was like it will be like not more than 1 year.
Oh, okay,
The last year only, you can say, I started. I
okay.
just my first beauty pageant. There
Mm-hmm.
I got the Mrs. Goodness Ambassador 2021 title. I
Mm-hmm.
earned that, and after that, the journey going on. Then again, I participated another one. There I got the Mrs. Glam Fitness Queen 2021,
Mm-hmm.
and then the top model, the one 2021. So these are the titles I have earned. And in between that, I got this opportunity to work with as a marketing head of Kolkata of that national magazine Bangsdhara. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm working with them also. And then opportunities coming up, and I'm just taking it forward. Like, and then I got also the international magazine Glamour Reader and Beginner to work as a business head. So
Mm-hmm.
I worked them with them also,
Mm-hmm.
and then United Nation pageant as a talent head manager.
How
So
difficult it is to handle several roles together, or how
yeah,
challenging it is.
it's
How do you
challenging.
manage?
Yes, if you didn't take, I am the person which I love to take challenges. So I am just taking the challenges. I'm just loving it till now. Yes, it is sometimes difficult to manage both home and this thing also, because there are many parts I am looking after, and in different things, and with different people and all companies. So yes, it's challenging, but it's very interesting also. If you have that patience, if you have that confidence in yourself, you can make it.
Yeah,
So that is the thing, and have to be very positive. Negative things
right.
come in our path, but we always have to be positive. Many people will distract you, many people will try to stop you, many people will very few people will encourage you.
Mm-hmm.
But I believe that criticism is the best thing which bring our better version from ourselves. So
Absolutely, I agree because without critic, you can't grow. So you have to
yes,
have the critic. So
yes, and
indeed, and we are listening to Shatabdi Roy from Kolkata, who is a multi-talented woman, and she has been really keeping up with several things in the ongoing time, barring whatever the crisis we are facing in the last 2 years. And she's also having she's an event planner and a wedding planner, you said, right?
yeah.
How was it? How did you manage during the time of pandemic?
Pandemic time, people, most of the us, we think that pandemic had badly affected different sectors and all.
Mm-hmm.
But in my case, it's an advantage,
Mm-hmm.
because I take it as an advantage, because I worked in online. I have done many events.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have to go different places. I just being at home, I am planned it, I have executed it. Many talent shows, many fashion shows. Recently I have done a fashion show, Fashionista India 2021, that is
Mm-hmm.
successfully done, and this 17th only have the crowning ceremony and all. So
Mm-hmm.
now we are planning, and it's gets so good response all over India that now I coming with that season 2.
Mm-hmm.
season 2 of that Fashionista India 2021. So it's actually an advantage for me because I can take care of my daughter also, small daughter, 6 years old, and also I'm doing these things. So I'm just taking it advantage of that.
So that's good. So you have managed to find out something which can keep you busy managing both home
Yes,
and
yes.
work intact. I
Yeah,
was
it's up to you. It's up to the person how they are thinking of to do the things.
right.
No one can stop you.
Exactly. That's very true. So how was it like being a brand ambassador for or a model for Minusari? How did this Minusari happen? Minusari, I have heard about it maybe long time back. So how
Yes.
did that happen?
It's a brand. It's a brand in India. It's a very well-known brand. So
Hmm.
it's just come up that after the beauty pageants, I have planned as a being an event planner. I plan to do some shoots and all. Conceptual shoots. So like that, from then Minu Sari, I just came up with the contact, and then I just worked from them as many models are there, many normal housewives you can say or homemakers who want to do some shoots and all like a model, looking like a model, but they didn't get that chance. So
Hmm.
being a fat or something or don't have that height, we
Hmm.
usually see people like models should be like a figure or something like that.
Hmm.
So I just came up with that all. I just came up with that person only who want to do that. I just came with that kind of models who want to do that. No age bar, no weight, no height, nothing. And
Right.
that's I done the many shoots with Minu, gown shoots and all that. And then I just doing further more shoots also. Like in Puja also we do that Agumuni shoot and all. So it's a different concept, different creative things, different way. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just bringing and try to bring the things.
Mm-hmm. I was reading about your achievements as a poet. So you have received William Shakespeare International Award in poetry.
Yeah.
That's something a very like name itself says a lot. And what is all about that?
I always love to, as I said, I love painting, singing, dancing, and also I like to write poems, like that. It's in school and all, but never thought of to do something in that this thing. So it's just a thing that when I came up with this, competition and all, where I got this award. So I just give my, all over India, people are giving their poems, their write-ups, and all that. So I also given with that, but I never thought of to get this award, and it's just surprising for me also that they liked it so much that I got this award. I'm really honored for that.
Wonderful. And also, you have an award as a celebrity in Lifestyle magazine.
Yeah.
Uh, I'll come to other few other things, but what is this one? The lifestyle magazine.
Lifestyle magazine is an international magazine only, and they just doing some live, like live. They approach me as a celebrity. I can come to the live and share my story like that only. So I just been there as a celebrity, so that is an achievement. So for me, every achievement is very important. Is it be small or big?
Of course. And a few other, I just like to know Nari Shakti Award and
Yeah,
then Glam Queen Fitness. Wow.
that is beauty pageant one.
Okay. And Top
Title
Model India Finalist 2021 and Real Superwoman Award from FSIA.
FSI. Recently, I
You have
received
so
it.
many titles in your kitty. So which one is the most you would rate on your
Uh,
chart as the top?
rate every I can't rate like that because every achievement, every moment is very important. And whenever I got it, I just enjoying it. I just it's encouraging me, it's motivating me more to do. So
Mhm.
whenever I received it, I something more I have to do, something more I have to do. I just get encouraged. So
Mhm.
every I don't want to which one is less and more. Every is same.
That's exactly whatever achievements you have, whoever have given you the title,
Yes,
It's
and
because
if you say in overall one, if you say in overall one, yes, the biggest achievement is that I'm a mother of a daughter. That is my biggest achievement.
that's so sweet. Exactly. Being a mother of a daughter and managing several responsibilities, it's itself, you can say, a great achievement. And
Yes.
you said you have a 6-year-old daughter, which I can fully understand how it's difficult to manage both ends, and which you are doing very successfully. And we are so proud of you, and I wish you do more better in the coming days. And going back to your family, so now that you said you were out from everything for quite some time because of like marriage, then kids, until, and then who has been the biggest inspiration in your life?
Biggest inspiration,
Let's
obviously,
start
I
with
would.
your this journey again. Who pulled you?
Yeah. Biggest inspiration, I would say, in every path, in every journey till now, many people inspired me. So it's a long list, but it's say the biggest support system or biggest encouraged to, I started this is two persons are there, not one. That is my small daughter, as I
Mhm.
said, that the click I started and now going on,
Mhm.
and also my mother, my mom, who
Wonderful.
always there, who always there, and being her daughter also is the biggest achievement for me,
Mhm.
because it's is the whatever the things I do after 5 years also, but it will be with me, that I'm really honored to get such lovely mother and being her daughter.
Two different generations is supporting you, and
Yes.
what can you expect more? And that's the biggest like anyone can have in life.
Yes.
Keep going more and more. So indeed, and then you are doing so many photo shoots during the Durga Puja time.
Yeah.
So one was I was seeing about something about you were in a Durga like
Yeah.
avatar, that
Avatar.
avatar,
Yes.
exactly. So
Yeah.
what was that basically?
That is a conceptual
What?
shoot which I make the concept, that it like different in a different looks, every model in a different look of Ma Durga. You can say nine Durgas, as I said, nine avatars of Durga we know.
Mm-hmm,
So it like I try to make that,
mm-hmm,
so in a different attire and different look of Ma Durga. So
mm-hmm,
that is I tried to come up with that asur we said,
mm-hmm,
that how they girls are, still girls are being
mm-hmm,
uh, it's many girls are being want to do something, but they don't they get not getting the opportunity, or not getting the support system or something like that. Still there are many girls are over there, so women are over there. So it's just I try to bring that thing in that concept,
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
so that every woman have something here to dream of, to do something big.
That's
So
wonderful.
yes, so
Mm-hmm,
that avatar are the reflecting that things,
mm-hmm.
that I am they can relate them with the avatars.
Right.
Every woman can relate their avatars, that this is me, this is me, so like that. So
That's
that's why I just
That's a unique thing you have been doing, and yes, it's very much it's impressive. I was quite impressed by all the videos that you were posting, so it's nice indeed, and
thank
hope to see more in the coming days on different other things. And also, I had like been observing that you are conducting shows, as you said, and there you are tying up with various like cancer like I would say the cancer patients or something like that, right?
you.
So what is it all about, if you can tell?
Coming up with an award show
uh,
where where honorable people, renowned people will be there as a chief guest,
mhm,
and awardee, as an awardee, usually people award those people who already well known. So
mhm,
I am trying in my award show to give them the platform who are not well known, but they are doing awesome in their sectors
Mm-hmm.
or doing very good job in their sectors. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to bring those people to give them an award, to encourage them, to motivate them to do more and more like that. And this is the one. And second is that I'm coming up with a cancer patient talent show.
Mm-hmm.
So usually in many shows we have seen that we bring cancer patients and we give some felicitations and all that or something to help them out. But here I'm planning for a talent show for the cancer patients, so that that moment should be there only. They can show their talent.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that they are only a patient or something like that, or a cancer survivor like that.
Mm-hmm.
They are also many talented people who are,
Mm-hmm.
cancer patients or cancer survivors. So they
Mm-hmm.
also have that talents, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't think, hardly we think of that. We
Right.
take them on that way only. So
Right.
I am trying to bring them, give them that happiness for that day, for that moment.
That's
It
wonderful.
will be their day only.
So you have any upcoming programs coming up?
Yes, this is the back-to-back programs and also some fashion show. As I said, the season was 2 is coming up, Fashionista India 2021. We are planning with that because getting so good response. Now we are coming out offline.
Okay, in person, you mean? Offline means you are having a show in the stage auditorium?
Nah, yes, it will be in stage auditorium and all, because the season 1 is totally was on online.
Online. So if is the still is there is one more question. I don't know. I'll take it up later. Uh,
Okay.
I I was saying like now that it'll be you will have a staged performance or this program.
Yes,
Is
stage
there
fashion
still,
show kind of.
okay, so is there still like restriction on the number of audiences you can have in an
Yeah,
auditorium?
obviously because of pandemic, there is a restriction. We can't, give as much as audience and all that. But we are getting also good responses from outside Kolkata also. So it's not possible everyone to come to Kolkata and do the show. So we
Mm-hmm.
are planning both online and offline.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So there will be online, Fashionista India online will be also there, and offline will be also there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you will have two models going on concurrent.
Yes.
That's good. That's wonderful. So you are listening to Shatabdi Rai, and we are. Uh, she has many things already achieved, and she has many more things to achieve in the coming days. And I would like to ask few quick questions, like now in this particular time it's there is so much of things going on, the people with the depressive state of mind not being able to be a part of a fashion show, as you said, like when you are on a regular basis, when you're interacting with them, how much change have you seen with those people who are coming, who are not having any work, or now that you are bringing them to your platform, how much change do you think you have contributed
Yeah.
to everyone's life?
Coming to this question, the answer should be start like that. Ki, we, in the fashion show, as which I have already done with the season 1.
Mhm,
There, I got many
mhm,
such people or person or
mhm,
ladies,
mhm,
girls who are
mhm,
so demotivated or so depressed.
mhm,
They want to do, but they are afraid of doing that.
mhm,
Okay,
mhm,
so you can say through this show
mhm,
I successfully tried
mhm,
to, put the positive thing in them. So
mhm,
they are very much confident, very much, positive right now. And they
mhm.
are starting doing many shows like that, online or offline, whatever it is. So pandemic is, affected us personally also.
Mhm.
So as a support system, if we not only thinking of show or something like that or your event, you also have through that show or through that event, if we try to put them a support or motivate them or encourage them, it will also help them personally also, which
Right.
I tried and I successfully done with it. because they are very much happy with that. The ma'am, you are always there as a support system. You are always there to encourage, not only for the show, also personally, giving us that, encouragement and all. So I'm successful in that way also.
That's wonderful because being by them and it's indeed a noble thing to do because you stand by them and then you get the reward.
Yeah.
You see the smile on the many faces, and that's what is the achievement all about.
Yes.
And you feel
As I
nice
said,
and
the
good
small
about
achievement is very important. So that
it.
small smile also very important.
Exactly, and that's how you grow because once they are happy, you see their smile, you think that you have done something to for
Yes.
the community and the society, and you know that it's going to get you more and more accolades in the coming days.
Yes.
So we have been for our ABS news viewers, we are talking to Shatabdi Ray for the last almost half an hour, and it's almost like 30 minutes, and I didn't want to stop, but we there should be a limit to every discussion, and we will bring her again in future when she will start doing the in-person stage programs. Might we might cover those shows as well live
Yes.
sometime. So, and I wish Shatabdi a very successful career and days ahead for you, and wish you all good luck. You are doing great, and you are really, because I did not know you and I just came to know you through the social networking. It was quite impressive, and I was following your post, which was very intriguing. So that's how we build the community and keep going. And I wish you all the success. If you have anything for our viewers, you can, please.
Yeah, I would say again, thank you, sir. Thank you, AB News Channel, for this lovely yeah, lives. And also for the viewers, I would say pandemic, yes, it's a, thing we are facing, but please take care of yourself, be safe, take protection and all that, and do whatever you want, but don't stop. And also be there for everyone, like a support system, like to encourage and motivate people as much as you can, because it's very important us in professionally also, in personally also. So that is the request to everyone.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You are so right. And I'm thankful. And
Thank
my
you, sir.
regards to
Thank
you.
you.
Keep well, do well. And for all our ABS News channel viewers, once again, good morning, good evening to my US viewers or India viewers or wherever you are. Please look into this discussion, live in program, whenever you can. Like, share, and follow our page. And I will come up with one more show tomorrow. And until then, goodbye. Stay well, keep well.